Hey guys, it's Edit Ebenezer again from So Many Enterprise Tutors, and today we're going to be starting a tutor. We're going to be learning a new language, a total new language separate from Java. And today I'm going to start teaching you guys Kotlin. Kotlin is is now kind of like Google announced it to be the official another official Android developing application programming language. So it's really kind of not a substitute for Java now, but it makes runtime, reduces runtime compilation and does a lot and speeds up our code. Okay, so going to be using Eclipse. I've already installed my plugin, my Kotlin plugin. So if you've not installed that, just let me know, and then I'll put a link below on how you can easily install the plugin. Okay, so we're going to get started, and today we're going to be looking at basic arithmetic operators. But before we look at that, we're going to be looking at the syntax to which variables take. And what are variables? Variables are determine variables are a memory location that can store data, and then we can look at different data types. Data types are what determine the value that a variable can save now. Okay, so today we're going to be looking at just basic arithmetic operators now. So what do? We come here, we right click. Alright, because this is the first time I'm going to be doing this, subsequently I won't be doing this. So to create a new Kotlin class file, you go to your project, right click, new, come down to order, then you can select Kotlin from the drop down, then Kotlin file, Kotlin file right here. Okay, so you click on next, name it let's name this arithmetic operators now. Operator will be fine. Okay, so we can start from the main. Okay, I don't know why the auto is not loading up, so I'll just pick this, the main function. Okay, now just like Java, what Java's main function is public static void main string and array string args. Okay, so something like that, but this is function main, then argument is an array, a string array. Okay, so it's basically just like Java, but just a little bit different. Okay, so today we're going to be looking at the basic arithmetic operators. Now if you remember, if you want to declare a variable in Java, you would indicate the data type, okay, variable name, and then the value. All right, but in Kotlin what you do is var, which stands for variable. Okay, let me comment this. Var, which stands for variable. Okay, then the variable name. Okay, then the data type. Okay, and then the value. All right, so this would be, let's say I want an integer value called number 1. So this would be number 1. Then the value, the data type of int, and then I'll give it a value of 50. Okay, so giving it that, what's the problem? Int, okay, capital letter I now, not the small letter I as it is in Java. Okay, now what else? Print. Okay, so this is how the print statement is in Kotlin. If it was to be Java, we would do system.out.println, something like this. Okay, but what still remains the same is that whatever you want to print must be in double quotes. Okay, so we'll say number 1. Okay, number 1's value is Okay, so this is concatenating value in this. So let's just display this to start. Run as Kotlin application. It's building. This is not it. Still building at 6%. Okay, still at 6%. I believe it will soon be done now. Sorry for the delay. Still at 6%. All right, 92%, almost done. Number one's value is 50. Okay, so 50 now. Let's move over to performing basic arithmetic operations now. Okay, so there are quite a number of them. Okay, we have multiplication, we have addition, subtraction, division, integer division, we have modulo. Okay, so we're going to be looking at order today. So in order to change this, all we'll just say is the addition operator is like this. Okay, so we just use comment. Addition operator plus subtraction or subtract operator is minus integer division is this modulus division. Okay, is this, and then I'll explain it as we all go on, and then minus, then a multiplication operator with this. Okay, integer division operator is this modular division operator is this. Okay, so the addition of number one, okay, plus number two is, then we just carry out plus number two. Okay, so that being said, that's for addition, meaning 1 2 3 4 5. So 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, so subtraction of this, and this is down to minus, then the multiplication, then this will change to multiplication. Okay, then the integer division. Okay, then the modulus division. Okay, so let's run this. Run as Kotlin application. Oh, okay, all right, I'm sorry I didn't change this. This should be minus, this should be multiplication, this should be division, this should be modulus division. Okay, what's the error? Ooh, okay, I should just put this in bracket then. Okay, so that solves it. So run as Kotlin application. Okay, so I see what the error is. Have to include all these operations in bracket. All right, so bracket in parentheses now. Parentheses in order for the arithmetic operation to be carried out, have to include them in parentheses. Okay, so we run that again. We run as Kotlin application. Okay, so the addition of 50 plus 40 is 90 minus the multiplication. Now, let me explain what the integer division and the modulus division is. Now, 50 divided by 4 is 1 remainder 10. Okay, so the integer division is to what whole number can 50 be divided by 40, so that is 1. And then the modulus 50 divided by modulus division is more of the remainder from the division. Okay, so 50 modulus 40 is 10 because 50 divided by 4 is 1, remainder 10. So it's the remainder that the modulus kind of indicates. Okay, so here we'll be stopping our first tutorial. Don't forget that when you want to perform operations, you have to include them in brackets, and in Kotlin is not system.out or print line anymore, but just print line and then still in double quotes, and then we are done with our arithmetic operation. Please tune yourself with the declaration of variables in Kotlin as it differs from Java. Alright, so please do come back. This tutorial series is going to be awesome. God bless.